The energy and utility sector is responsible for some of the core needs of modern-day society, providing electricity to government, industry, commercial facilities, and homes. Traditionally, it is both costly and time-consuming to obtain reliable data for maintaining generation and transmission assets. But with the advent of drone-based solutions, the sector is undergoing a powerful transformation. It is now possible to inspect pylons, power lines, electrical substations, and above-ground pipelines in shorter timeframes, with higher accuracy and at lower costs. And with a multitude of viable applications within hydropower, nuclear, thermal, along with wind and solar, drones are providing crucial enhancements throughout the value chain. With this in mind, Aqualine Drones is at the forefront of incubating next-generation commercial drone applications within the energy and utility sector, delivering smart and innovative solutions for all operational sizes and needs. By deploying cloud-connected drones with high-end sensors, along with AI-enabled analysis, we are able to supply engineering and maintenance teams with valuable data insights, resulting in significantly reduced downtime, optimal productivity, and elevated safety.
Collecting information is key. Our drones rely on a combination of AI-powered automation, cloud technology, advanced sensors, and specialized software, along with old-fashioned manual inputs to build high-resolution datasets, furnishing teams with clear-cut indicators regarding asset health and operational efficiency. A range of different payloads are easily mountable on AD drones, from optical cameras to thermal and multispectral sensors, with the AD Cloud providing solution-specific data processing capabilities that allow for the generation of actionable insights. The potential for deploying drones to inspect power plants, transmission infrastructure, or extensive pipelines opens up a wide range of use cases where our state-of-the-art drones can provide value.
Linear assets such as pylons and power lines can enable periodic maintenance and pre-programmed inspections to mitigate interruptions, shortages, and blackouts. With the implementation of UAV-based solutions, organizations are now reaping the benefits of efficient predictive maintenance programs that extract knowledge from drone data using AI and data analytics. Fixed asset inspection primarily involves substation inspection. Live feeds or recorded footage can be used to inspect individual substation components for structural damage and nonconformities. As with linear asset inspection, a wide range of the spectrum can be detected. With specialized sensors which include optical, thermal, multispectral, and UV detectors. Drones are extremely effective in monitoring vegetation growth near infrastructure. Since vegetation poses a serious problem with safety and downtime, UAV solutions can mitigate this risk by providing timely insights that lead to preemptive action on the ground. With integrated solutions, the process can dramatically improve resource allocation and reduce accidents. Drones can provide a quick response method for damage assessment, along with mobility and an aerial vantage point. These factors make it a powerful tool in helping infrastructure recover quickly from an accident or natural disaster. In summary, by monitoring multiple indicators and obtaining continuous status updates, operational teams can successfully transform day-to-day asset management activities and leverage substantially higher returns on capital investments.
The world of intelligent, cloud-connected drones supporting energy and utilities has arrived, and the future of asset inspection within the sector is undergoing a revolutionary change using cloud, AI, and UAV technology. Aqualine Drones offers a pioneering solution for large-scale E&U inspections with a high degree of automation, AI-enabled analysis, and powerful integration into existing asset management frameworks. How can we help take your business to the next level? Contact us at Aqualine Drones to learn more.